How to fix missing chat history sync now option in Messenger. So if you want to fix missing chat history sync now option in your Messenger, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Messenger. Once you open your Messenger, now you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and tap on settings, which is on the top right. Now on your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you will have an option of message storage. So you need to find the message storage option, which might be under your privacy and safety, and go with end-to-end encrypted chats and then tap on message storage. Once you're under your message storage, make sure to turn on your secure storage. You can enter your PIN. Once you enter your PIN, then while you log into your Messenger or your Facebook on the other device, then it will ask you to enter the PIN to sync your chat history. But if you don't remember your PIN, then what you can do is just simply tap on secure storage and turn it off. Tap on turn off and then turn off your secure storage. Once you turn off your secure storage, then it will remove the missing chat history option on your Facebook or your Messenger. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.